Music is love and love is music, if you know what I mean. People who believe in music are the happiest people I've ever seen. Hi there, I'm Ellie Lamson, founder of Singogram USA. Thank you so much for visiting this site. Thank you so much for choosing us. Music is love, love is music, and what an extraordinary gift. It uplifts instantaneously. It can change a person's day in just a few minutes. So what do? You're here at the site. You want to choose between the basic, the deluxe. You want to choose your salutation song, whether it's happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy you're having a baby, and then also choose from the song list. The song list is being updated weekly, so just make sure you check the song list, and if you decide there's one later before your song is delivered, you can make the switch. Just email us. The other thing that you want to choose is Mountain Time, Central Time, Eastern Standard Time. You want to make sure we know the date and any other special information. Obviously, you want to pay, but if there are any questions, any concerns, any hesitations, any special little things you want us to deal with, feel free to email me directly, ellielamson@gmail.com, ELLIELAMSON@gmail.com. I am delighted. Of course, my personal preference might still be the old-fashioned way, the phone call, but we can pop into someone's text, we can pop into their Facebook, we can pop into their email. There's all kinds of ways we can deliver this happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy I love you, or cheer up sort of greeting through song. Again, I am a firm believer in the power of music. I could sit around and make music all day long, just like the song that Mac Davis created. So anyway, have a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you again. Be in touch and enjoy your life. Take good care. Bye-bye.